Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken salad for weight loss. First, understand that lean protein and healthy fats are key for satiety. Chicken salad, when prepared correctly, is a fantastic option because its high protein content can significantly boost your metabolism and help you feel full for longer. This reduces cravings and prevents overeating, making it easier to stick to your weight loss goals. Focus on light dressings and lean chicken to keep the calorie count down. Now, let's talk about the ingredients that make a difference. Start with about 3 cups of cooked chicken breast, either shredded or diced, as your lean protein base. For a healthier, creamier dressing, swap out traditional mayonnaise for plain Greek yogurt. It's packed with protein and much lower in fat. Incorporate plenty of crunchy vegetables like 2 stalks of diced celery and half a cup of finely chopped red onion for texture and added nutrients. Preparing your healthy chicken salad is straightforward. Begin by combining your cooked chicken, diced celery, and chopped red onion in a large mixing bowl. In a separate small bowl, whisk together your dressing ingredients: plain Greek yogurt, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Pour this light dressing over the chicken and vegetable mixture, then gently stir until everything is well combined. For the best flavor, refrigerate the salad for at least 30 minutes before serving. To enhance your chicken salad, try adding 1 cup of halved red grapes or chopped apples for a touch of natural sweetness. For healthy fats and an extra crunch, mix in about 1/4 cup of sliced almonds or walnuts. These additions boost flavor and provide beneficial nutrients. And speaking of valuable resources, check the description for a link to *The Simple Path to Wealth* and other great deals. Remember, portion control is key, and this salad is perfect for meal prepping throughout your week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.